Hello everyone. Today we have a new unboxing. This is called ESR Protective Phone Case. This is meant for iPhone 14 Pro Max. So if you can see, the regular price for this is 2200, but right now it is in Amazon sale. I picked it up today for 1600. So yeah, let's take a quick look at it and see how this fits onto my phone. Simple packaging. There is just a user manual, quick one pager, and then you have their signature become a super user pamphlet with some warranty information. So alright, that's about it. And then you have this packaging here which reveals the case. So the main reason I picked this case is because I always like the ESR brand. I have been using their brands for quite some time. Their particularly I like their iPhone accessories, and then also we have their iPad lineup, which has got even more like their folio cases and the screen protectors, which I really liked. So that's the reason I picked this one. And recently I bought a couple of more products from ESR, which I'm planning to put a unboxing and quick review soon. So I picked up this ESR Hello Lock power bank wallet, and also another product called Geo Wallet. So both of this I'm planning to review soon, so stay tuned for that. Alright, now the speciality of this case is it's got really strong magnetic here, MagSafe. So this is supposed to work really well with all the MagSafe accessories, especially the ESR made ones. So I will do a quick check of that. And another specialty is that is a clear case, and supposed to be an anti-yellowing case, and also the corner protected for impact. And yeah, overall it looks like the build quality is really good and nice. So let's see how this fits onto my phone. So this is my 14 Pro Max. So right now I'm using a Spigen hybrid case. So let me remove that and put this one. That's it. It's nice and fitting. It's like a glove. It really fits so nicely, and you can see it also shows the color of the iPhone. I have this deep purple, so it's showing the color, which is also nice. An additional reason I picked it up is for this ring stand here. So there is a protection around the cameras, and when you pull this out like this, so it becomes a nice stand for watching videos in horizontal orientation. It's really nice, and you can also keep it like this position if you want. Yeah, and this is much nicer, perfect viewing angle for media consumption. So that's the main reason I picked up this case. And yeah, the hinge is really strong. You can feel that it's made of good quality aluminum, so it's really good. And I have a ESR power bank here. Let me do a quick check of the magnetism. Oh, it's really solid. So it sticks onto it really solid, and yeah, so it's really good compared to this one. It's really hard to pull it out. Let me try it with my old Spigen case. Yeah, it fits here, but it's quite easy to remove it without any effort. I'm able to remove it, but this ESR one really sticks hard. It takes a lot of effort to pull this out. Yeah, so it's really a great buy. Yeah, I will use it for some time and then tell you how it's holding up on a long term. But overall, I would definitely recommend uh, any ESR brand, any ESR products is really good, well built, and they really focus on the quality. I like the ESR yeah, branding quite a lot. Mm, yeah. So yeah, until next video, talk to you later. Thank you. Bye.